Hey there, speculators. It's Rod, lead futures and options trader, TDG Traders Dev Group, and Futures on Fire. Hey, this is going to be the Trade Journal screencast today for Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Just a quick recap of some of the trading that took place today in the room and the overall tenor of the market. So, profitable day today. This was interesting. There was a spike on a bond position. I let it come all the way back down. So again, finished up, but you could see our maximum favorable excursion was a little higher there. Trade of the day to highlight is in the bonds here. Let's see if this comes up. There we go. So rates came down, ZN rocketed up there. Initial short was right in here around the 138, and then I traded around it for the majority of the day. Everything was fine on this golf flag pattern here on the histogram. The issues that I wrote in here was the ads just came a little too early as the value area high adjusted to about 139.050, and if we looked left, which this is just a screenshot, there was some structural relevance from around this 139.050. It was very easy to just sort of wait for that level, but either way, you would have had to basically just dance between the raindrops here. You didn't really get a nice pullback at all. So I managed to manage the position to about 30% of the maximum adverse excursion. At one point, the trade was significantly up, and then at another point, the trade was significantly down. So anyway, that was kind of the trade of the day. In our TastyBite options account, there was a couple changes that we made. I did sell work just before the close for $4.95 for a single contract. Trial members probably haven't heard me talk enough about work. I'm pretty bulled up on it, and in other accounts I have very large positions looking for a move above 30 and beyond. So we took that off. QQQ was an exit of a bear call spread. TLT was an enter, was a new trade of a bear call spread as well, the 170, 175. Diamonds we took off. That was the 240, 245 bear call spread today. We saw the market come in, so we used that opportunity to get out of that position. Same thing with the IWM. So we came in with several positions that had been put on kind of late last week, and were in our face as we rallied kind of significantly on Tuesday. NASDAQ, of course, rallied nicely on Monday as well, or was green on Monday. So we used the opportunity to get rid of those bear call spreads, all for profit there. So that was pretty cool. And then over here on the small Tradovate account that is tied to the extreme turn strategy right here, just did one little trade in the Russell. And the reason we were short that ZN was some extreme turns that we got right there, extreme turn sells that we got. If you're on trial and have any questions, you can shoot an email to support@Traders Dev Group. If not, hopefully you're enjoying what you're doing. We had a number of new people come in the last couple of days on a special that we're running right now. So support@Traders Dev Group if you have any questions about getting access to resources or anything that would help you get the most out of your time with us. Members, we will see you. Members and trial members, we'll see you tomorrow. My name is Rod with Traders Dev Group, TDG. If you're watching this on YouTube and you like this kind of content, you want to find out more about what we do, you can click the button, look in the link below. Also subscribe, turn on the notifications to be notified of when we do these updates. They make a lot more sense if you're in the room, but if not, maybe good for you to follow along nonetheless. All right, my name is Rod again with TDG, reminding you to stay green, trade like you mean it. We'll see you at the next update. Thanks.